Now we're going to take the rest of the lug nuts off. We already took it off with a breaker bar. We took it open. Now we're going to take them off. As you can see, they're coming out hand. I also got it on jack stands and a jack for protection. So see, they're coming out by hand right now. Much easier. One. Impact gun will be easier, but I'm going to show you how to use with common hand tools. 2. That's out. 3. All right. Just came off. But she's out. That's out. That's out. These things are very easy to come off once you torque them down. These only get torqued down to 100 foot-pounds. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. When you do this in your driveway, do it 100 foot-pounds, and they'll come off very easy when you need them to. Take this one off. That one's off. It doesn't come off yet, but it will. Alright, it's off. Alright, tires coming off now. That's it. That's it. Tires off. That's it. I'm going to put this under the car and be good. Take this under the car. Take that on the car. And that's it. And that's it. Now this comes off very easy. This thing comes off very easy. Just put a screwdriver in and pop it out. So if I can get it. I usually just go like this and it comes right out. Hold on. This thing has force, so be careful when you take this out.